Today, we'll show you how to set up the Spotify app on your Garmin watch. To complete this process, you will need to have your watch paired to a Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth headphones, and Garmin Connect Mobile. You will also need a Spotify Premium account. First, we'll download the Spotify app to your watch from the Connect IQ store. To get to the Connect IQ store, open Garmin Connect Mobile on your smartphone. If you're using an Apple smartphone, touch More at the bottom of the screen. If you're using an Android smartphone, touch the 3 bars at the top of the screen. Touch Connect IQ Store from the menu. If you have more than one Garmin, select the watch you want to load music to from the top banner. Search for Spotify and download the app. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Syncing may take a few minutes to complete. Once the sync completes, you will see the message, Music Provider Added. To access, hold down on your Garmin. Press the down button to dismiss this alert. Then, you will be prompted to open the Garmin Connect mobile app and sign into your Spotify account. This will link your Spotify Premium account to your Garmin. After signing in, you can pick which content you would like to sync with your Garmin. And that's it. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.